How to enable and change ChatGPT voice on app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So first of all, give the necessary permissions, which is microphone, long press on the app for that, and go to the info section. And from here, you may look out for permissions. Tap on permissions and head over and give the permissions, which is microphone, the one we're looking for. Allow it, and after it is allowed, you may just go ahead and open up the app. Now, once you open up the app, you should be finding this particular interface, and right beside, right in the right hand side of the screen, you can find a voice option. It is usually on the updated version. You can update your app if it's not. And if you'd like to change, what you can do is you can just head over to the menu option in the top left corner, tap on it, and this opens up. Now you may tap on your name in the bottom left corner. And once you tap on it, here you'll be finding different options. Look out for voice option. And once you tap on it, here we have this option of input language. Tap on it and you can select up your language. After that, you can select your voice. If you'd like to change your voice, right now my voice is Corby. So you can tap on it and you can switch right or left depending upon you. After that, tap on done and it will basically be applied. And you can even keep the conversation going in apps. So you can turn this option or you can use it as a default assistant. And that is it. So if you'd like to enable and change ChatGPT voice and application as well, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.